Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll learn articles a and n. So let's start. As you all know, the English alphabet has 26 letters A to Z. 5 of the letters are vowels and the remaining 21 letters are consonant. We can write each letter as a large letter capital or in small letter also. Okay. Now how to use articles A and N. Use A before words that start with a consonant sound. Is it clear, Kyra? We'll use A before words that starts with a consonant sound. For example, B-O-Y, boy. Okay? B-O-Y, boy. In this word, we'll see this alphabet, which is B. B. And B sound is consonant. B. 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 The B sound is a consonant sound or vowel sound?
Consonant.
So consonant sound. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. So here we'll use the article. Which article will use?
B.
Which article will use?
A.
A boy. A boy. Clear? Now use N before word that start with a vowel sound. There are 5 type of vowels: A, E, I, O and U. Clear? Now for example, A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. Now in this word we'll see first alphabet A. A is a vowel or consonant?
Vowel.
Vowel. So which article will use?
N.
N. Very good. An ant. A boy. Clear? Next, one more example. C-A-T, cat. So in this word with C-A-T, cat. K-at. So C is a C. K is a consonant sound. So here we'll use the article a cat. A cat. Clear? Now we do not use articles before the names of any countries, people, cities, river and lake. We do not use articles a or n before the names of countries, people, cities, rivers and lake because these are the indefinite articles. The to describe, use the to describe a specific noun, whereas a and n is used to describe a more general noun. For this reason, the is referred to as a definite article and a and n is referred to as a indefinite article. The is definite article because it points out a particular person or thing. Will specify the name. Will specify the name, and the article a or n is called the indefinite because it does not state which person or thing we are talking about. For example, if I tell a doctor means a doctor, any doctor. There will be any doctor, a doctor. A child means any child, but we are not specifying. We are not specifying the name. Just like we compare, you must consult the doctor. You must consult the doctor. Which doctor? It could be your family doctor. It could be any doctor. But you must consult a doctor. Which doctor? It could be any doctor. Here the speaker does not have a particular doctor in mind. So we'll use here indefinite articles a. We are using here indefinite articles a doctor, not the doctor. Clear? And the one more thing, the definite article is used before singular countable nouns. Yes, this is the point. The indefinite article is used before singular countable nouns. It cannot be used before plural noun. For example, I am taking one example, apple. Apple, only one apple. It's a singular countable noun. So here we'll use an apple. An apple because a is a vowel sound. So we are using an apple. An apple. One apple is there. It's a singular countable noun. But with apples, now plural uncountable nouns, apples. There are so many apples. So we'll not use the article an apples. Will not use the articles an apples. With only one singular countable noun, we use the indefinite articles a or n. One more example like tree. One tree is there. So we'll use, it's a consonant sound, we'll use the article a tree. But with so many trees, with plural countable nouns, will not use a. A trees, no, a tree. Clear? And the definite article can be used with singular countable nouns also and plural countable noun also. For example, we can say the book. Yes, book. Only one book is there, so we are using the book, and the books. The books. So the can be used before singular countable nouns and plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. The rice or the milk. Is it clear? So in KG section only two articles, mainly two articles, a or n is there. So we'll study that. And Kyra, it's clear? Have you understand?
Yes.
Yes. So now Kyra will do exercise. Let's start, Kyra. Okay. Now first you see I am giving you one worksheet. Write the vowels. Here you write the vowels. How many vowels are there?
A, E, I, O, U.
There are 5 vowels. So you write there. In good handwriting. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Good. Now write a or n before all these words. First you see A, N, T, ant.
Yes.
A, N, T, ant.
Ant.
The sound is vowel sound or consonant sound?
Vowel.
So which article you will use here?
N. A, N, N.
Yes. A, N, N. Next is
C-A-T, cat.
C-A-T, cat. C, K. K is a vowel sound or consonant sound?
Consonant.
Consonant sound. So which article will you use here?
A.
Okay. Next is E-Y-E-I.
E-Y-E-Y.
So which E is vowel or consonant?
Vowel.
Vowel. So which article you will use?
N.
N. N-I.
A-N-N.
Next is V-A-N, van.
V-A-N, van.
So which article will you use here?
A.
A. Because V is a consonant sound or vowel sound?
Consonant.
Okay. Next is O-X, ox.
O-X, ox.
So you see first alphabet O. O is a vowel sound or consonant?
Vowel.
Vowel. So which article will use?
A-N-N.
Okay, good.
A-N-N.
Good. Next is R-A-T, rat.
R-A-T.
Rat. Ra is vowel sound or consonant sound?
Consonant.
Okay. Which article?
A.
A. A rat.
A rat.
Okay. Next is E-double-G, egg.
E-G-G, egg.
Okay.
E is a vowel.
Vowel.
So, N.
An egg. Okay. And next is C-A-P, cap. K-app.
Cap.
Cap.
So, here is any C. So, it is consonant.
Very good.
So, A.
A cap.
Cap.
Ab here you come.
U.
Keep it close.
U-A.
N-C-L-E, uncle. So you see U. U is a vowel sound or consonant sound? U is a vowel sound or consonant sound?
Vowel.
So which article?
N.
N. Good. Next is B-E-D, bed. B-ed. So B is vowel or consonant?
Here is any B. So it says consonant.
Yes. A bed.
A bed.
Next is tin.
Tin. T is any
Huh.
because there is any T. So it says Consonant.
Consonant sound.
A. Here is also no B.
Okay.
So it will
Boy, B-O-Y, boy. Boy is consonant sound or vowel sound?
be consonant.
Yes, repeat again and again. A-E-I-O-U vowel sound. And A-E-I-O-U vowel sound, and remaining all the alphabets are consonant. Clear? Owl. O-W-L, owl. O is
O is
vowel. Yes. So,
A N
an owl.
N O.
Clear? Next is?
H. Here is any H. So H will be consonant.
Yes. Good.
A.
Hut. A hut.
G.
G. No G. Yes.
So consonant.
Yes.
E.
A gun. E-A-R, ear.
E is here. So let's put A N
N. Next is
L is. This is L.
L-I-D, lid. L is consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Yes.
A will come.
Okay. Next is
N.
N-U-T, nut. N is vowel or consonant? N is?
Consonant.
Yes. A nut.
A nut.
Very good. One more
Now
worksheet
again
I have
we'll
given
repeat.
here, and
An
you can do
ant,
it at your
a
home.
cat,
And
an
if you
eye,
like my
a
this
van,
video,
an
please
ox,
subscribe,
a
like
rat,
it, share my
an
channel.
egg,
Thank you.
A cap, an uncle, a bed, a tin, a boy, an owl, a hut, a gun, an ear, a lid, a nut. Very good, Kyra.